Okay, I am Jean-Louis Valls, the director of the managing authority of the France, Spain and Andorra program. And I am here to, as a witness, because I think that the program, cross-border program, my cross-border program, was the first one in Europe. And after 27 years, we have a big pleasure to give the result. The result of the cross-border, I resume on few words. First, it's not only a problem of finances. I think that the best thing is the willingness of the inhabitants to work together. My favorite project in my territory is the hospital between France and Spain. Is not only the building infrastructure, is work, push all the people, all the medical team to work together, Spanish and the French, to have the same way to work on the future. It's these kind of things, it's only willingness of the medical team. So I wish big luck, very big luck to the border between Italy and Slovenia, and thank you for your invitation. I am a fervent supporter of the cross-border cooperation. Thank you.